let's understand epistemology. So imagine that there is friend of yours and you goes to her home and there is a candle and you think that candle is giving you warmth, right? There is cold outside and you feel that because of that candle you are feeling warmth, right? So when that candle जब उस कमरे में जाते हो और वो कैंडल बुझ जाती है तो फिर उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि उस कैंडल की वजह से जो वार्मथ आ रही थी इट्स गॉन नाउ, राइट? एंड यू बिलीव बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्मॉल कैंडल, दैट कैंडल इज वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज, ठीक है? तो अब आपको लगता है क्योंकि अब वो कैंडल बुझ चुकी है, यू आर स्टार्ट फीलिंग कोल्ड, right? So this is what epistemology is, the study of knowledge, that how do we know what we know, right? So to this your friends ask the questions that are you sure that you were feeling warm because of that candle, right? So these are the questions it asks, that if you are believing certain things, are you true, like are you sure about that? So this is epistemology, that can we be certain about truth? And there is another example which is very famous in philosophy, the example which says that you basically enter in a room, right, and you see a rope and a snake, and while watching that rope, right, you assume it to be a snake, right? And when you basically switch on another light and you see that you were basically, it was like illusion, right? Because there were certain characters that you believe it to be a snake, it was not true, right? So what it tells you, so it asks you the questions that why I was feeling certain thing, what was the reason behind it. You ask that knowledge, doesn't matter if that knowledge is coming out to be true or false. The question asking that how do we know about that certain things that was proved in metaphysics, right, it was true or not, right, on what basis we are saying it. So there are another process of knowledge. First is sense experience, you are seeing it, perception is there. Then we have mind things, right, reasoning, our mind try to analyze it, start to understand that through reasoning, right? Then through knowledge is formed, through reasoning and through perception, through these two things are knowledge formed. So it is very important that when perception is happening, whatever you are seeing, whatever you're trying to understand, it should be valid, it should be, proper. In first step there should be no, basically no wrong knowledge, right? Then same goes with mind things, as if perception will be right, the reasoning should be proper, and if reasoning is proper, the knowledge that will form, it will also be understandable and true. So these are the steps through the process of knowledge in epistemology.